guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. We're gonna tell you our cat's names. This one's Snowy, aka Snow White. This one is Greedy. Color Tree is Greedy. This one's Barbie Land. And where'd the Midnight go?
Midnight? Yes, she's right there.
And that's Midnight over there.
So cats were fighting, so she ran away.
Midnight is over there. And we do not know how to name this one because she looks creepy. And this one's Salsa. Look how cute she is. But look at how
Salsa, Michelle.
Oh. And look at how snowy look. Oh.
Wait. I'm going to do my things and try to catch. Wait, I gotta get candy.
Okay, guys. My time is about to go by. Part 2 coming up soon. Bye.